was doing fine. I minded my own business till the day you took me home. You came into my life like a sweet embrace, swept me off my feet and made me whole again. You came in my life, I wanna see your face. Never will I be the same again.
Namaste and welcome back to Simply Kaushiki. This year, instead of rushing to pack up, I paused to enjoy the little post-festival calm with my family. Those last few days of Diwali celebration reminded me of why I enjoy these small resets and the joy in slowing down just a little bit. So today I'll take you along as I refresh my space, do some cozy DIYs, and these ideas might help you to reset your home too. I started the morning just by gathering all the festive decor, carefully packing each item. It's like storing little memories to be revisited each year. I carefully labeled all the boxes. This helps me to stay organized and reuse item without stress of searching each time.
Kind and brave, I know you'll find a way. Live your truth and good will come to you. Home, sweet home. Home, sweet home.
If you're little like me, then you know the extreme benefit of labeling each box because these boxes either get stored in lofts or under the beds or in storage rooms. It's hard to remember in which box we kept. Do you also label all the boxes? If yes, then do let me know in the comments. After all the decor, it's cleaning time. Though Mumbai stays warm and there is a November crispiness in the air, this is somehow our version of fall, sweeping away all the glitter and dust and refreshing reset. I personally clean more after Diwali than before Diwali. I feel cleaning after festivals feels most satisfying. Do you also feel the same? After seeing so many vintage candle holder on social media, I have been wanting to make one for myself. Using the brass candle holder and the glass from this hurricane candle lantern, I will try to make a vintage looking candle holder. Just using some hot glue all around the rim and sticking the glass. And voila, I have my very own vintage candle holder. This year I wanted to add those few sparse fall-like branches to bring that natural charm. Now I don't have a forest or a garden nearby, so I made mine with faux greenery, wire and some floral tape. It feels like bringing a little piece of nature indoors. The process was really simple. I just plucked all the greenery that felt like fall colors and wrapped these brown floral tapes around the wire stems. Attaching the leaves carefully with the same floral tape. You can also use glue gun. I tried doing that, it was not looking neat, so I end up using floral wires and just floral tapes. I made them with plain wires. These are simple aluminum wires, slightly pliable to get a nice branch-like look. Now a pro tip here, when you're using floral tape, just pull it slightly to activate the glue, and in case you want to attach two branches together, this is how you do it. Just wrap it carefully with the floral tape. Just fill your vase with lots of waste paper and poke a hole in the middle so that your branch doesn't become wonky when you're trying to style it.
Oh, the lilac snow drifting down so soft and slow outside my window. I watch it go. Oh, the lilac snow. Though the world may seem so still, it's coming in.
Console table, I am using this pumpkin shaped vase that I got it from Gurgaon flea market and spray painted it and arranged all these sparse branches in a very zigzag fashion, as if I pulled it off right from the tree and it looks like a huge branch. Kind of fills the space without overwhelming it. What do you think? And using my fluted marble bowl filled with some of the same faux leaves that we plucked from the earlier branch, adding few pumpkins, and it just completes the look. Let's finish this side by doing one last DIY using this broken embroidery hoop. I will use this faux branch of maple leaves, I guess so, and tie it all around. You can use floral wire, zip ties. I used floral tape itself because that was already in my hand. Festive cushions are beautiful but often feels very heavy, so I'm swapping up for the lighter ones. Also, just reversing these velvet cushions just gave a fresh look to the space. For the coffee table, I'll give a quick nice wipe to the surface and add this table runner from IKEA, a wooden platter, and I have just reversed it and it became a beautiful tray. For the touch of natural element, I am adding a small planter and some pumpkin. Refreshing the kitchen is as simple as changing the tea towels to warm fall colors. A small touch, but it makes a difference. If you have watched till here, then you will definitely enjoy this video, which talks all about making a home cozy. I'll leave you with the home tour while I sip my coffee. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do consider liking and subscribing to the channel and share it with your friends and family. Until next time, bye-bye.